Starting a side hustle can be incredibly rewarding and beneficial for a variety of reasons. Here are the top 5 reasons why many people choose to embark on this journey. Financial independence. A side hustle can provide an additional stream of income, which can be crucial in achieving financial goals faster. This extra income can help pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or build an emergency fund. Pursue a passion. Many side hustles begin as hobbies or passions. Turning a passion into a side hustle allows you to spend time doing what you love while also earning money from it. It can be incredibly fulfilling to monetize a hobby or skill you are passionate about. Professional development. A side hustle can be an excellent way to develop new skills or enhance existing ones. Whether it's learning about digital marketing, improving sales techniques, or becoming more proficient in a particular software, these skills can be beneficial both for your side hustle and your primary career. Testing entrepreneurial waters. For those interested in entrepreneurship, a side hustle is a low-risk way to explore this path. It provides a practical understanding of what it takes to run a business, including managing finances, marketing, and balancing multiple responsibilities. Flexibility and control. A side hustle offers more control over your work and schedule compared to a typical 9-to-5 job. It allows you to work on your own terms, set your own hours, and make decisions that align with your personal and professional goals. Starting a side hustle can be a pathway to personal growth, financial freedom, and the fulfillment of entrepreneurial ambitions. It's an opportunity to create something of your own and potentially transition it into a full-time career. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more inspiring content.